How to fix Apple ID locked for security reasons. If your Apple ID is locked for security reasons or has been disabled, it can happen due to entering the wrong password multiple times, suspicious activity, or Apple detecting a security issue. This video is a short guide to unlock your Apple ID, which could work 100% of this time. You can apply various methods like use the Forget Apple ID or password feature available in the Apple support. Simply visit the Apple support. There you will see Forget Password or Apple ID Disable or Locked option. Tap on it and you can visit the Apple store to unlock it. The other option is simply go through your settings and on the searching bar search for Find My Phone and make sure that you have enabled Find My Phone option. If it is enabled, then it will make much more easier to find out your Apple ID password or Apple ID. In these various steps, you can easily solve this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.